You're watching How Leap. Let's add an email ID to your Snapchat account. Open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the settings gear icon in the top right. Scroll down to the My Account section and tap Email. If you already have an email on file, you will see it here. To add a new email, tap Add Email Address. Enter your new email address. You will receive a verification code sent to that email. Check your inbox, enter the code in Snapchat, and tap Verify. Your email is now added and linked to your account. You can add multiple emails for recovery. To set one as primary, go back to the email settings, tap the star next to your preferred address. To remove an email, tap the X next to it. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.